Hello, I'm Reinhard Keil, and my team works on tools for ARM Cortex-M microcontrollers. This year, my DevSummit talk is about CI/CD and MLOps workflows for IoT endpoint development. For system development, DevOps with test automation reduces development times and delivers higher software quality. Today, Cortex-M applications are validated on physical hardware. Continuous integration with test automation is therefore hard and not economic. But Cortex-M simulation models with virtual test interfaces allow you to model I/O for complex embedded software. Python test scripts repeat test patterns precisely, and this enables regression tests in cloud-based CI systems. During my talk, I will show how to use this in practical applications. So meet me at ARM DevSummit for my talk to learn how test automation works for your embedded project. See you there.